Union Public Service Commission UPSC na Louba exam gi Manipuri optional paper gi Wahangche-Da Meetei Mayek Yaohan-Naba Rajya Sabha gi MP ning thosana jabolai semana Parliament ki House puning Taksinkhre ngasi fam ki ba Parliament mifam da 0 hour gi khudong sa baluruduna MP ning thosana jabolai semana hai UPSC na Louba Civil Services exam da Manipuri bu optional subject ama oina lauri ba candidate singna answer iba batam da Bengali natragana Meetei Mayek ta iba yahalli Adubapu Manipuri optional paper ki Wahangche-Da di Bengali Mayek khakta da nambana Bengali script khangdaba candidate singi mafamdadi saawna khudong saadaba mayoknari Haukiba sahi kunrom gi mamangda Manipur da leiriba school college amadi university singda Bengali Mayek ta tamnaramba textbook punamak Meetei Mayek ta sindokhrabani Manipur gi mahiroi sing Bengali Mayek makhatana tamkidabana Bengali Mayek iba amadi paba ngamdre adumapu UPSC na Bengali script khakta da Wahangche namduna Manipur gi candidate sing tangai fadana Bengali Mayek khangdaba yadaba gi pibam amada lakhalai masina maram orega Manipuri bu optional subject ama oina exam thaningba candidate kyada ninghana bapokhalai Autopa loan singi Wahangche-Da Mayek makhal kyada nambagumna Manipuri optional paper gi oinasu Bengali amadi Meetei Mayek ta Wahangche nambada oithoklidabagi maram leitei Bengali amadi Meetei Mayek animakta Wahangche namba haibasina leibak asida leiriba toan bafrup ki loan sing manaba binyengda yengadabane haiba Indian Constitution gi sana kaunun sing adu ngakna satpa amadi ikai khumnabo oigani Loinana UPSC na Louba exam gi system dasu hena fagathan bangamgani maramaduna issue asigi matangda UPSC amadi mari leinabu authority da atuba matamda pukhatuna sabsaba thabak laukhanaba MP ning thosana jabolai semana makhatana Taksinkhre
For the civil service examinations conducted by UPSC, candidates with Manipuri as optional subject are permitted to write answer in either Bengali script or Meetei Mayek script. However, the question paper for the Manipuri optional paper is printed only in Bengali script. This practice is placing the candidates who do not understand the Bengali script at a very disadvantaged situation because Bangla or Bengali script had been completely replaced by Meetei Mayek script for teaching in schools, colleges and universities for the last 20 years or so in Manipur. Consequently, almost all students have been educated entirely in Meetei Mayek and do not possess functional literacy in the Bengali script. However, UPSC compelled these candidates to read and understand the questions set only in Bengali script, undermining their language proficiency. As a result, many willing candidates are discouraged from opting for Manipuri as their optional subject. It is also to be respectfully stated that there is no academic or technical impediment to print the question paper in Meetei Mayek alongside Bangla script, as is done for other languages with multiple scripts. The printing of questions in both Bangla and Meetei Mayek will uphold the principles of fairness, inclusivity, and constitutional respect for India's linguistic diversity, and will improve the UPSC examination system. As such, it is demanded that matter may be brought to the attention of UPSC and concerned authority, and to rectify it at an early date.